Whoa, yeah! Kind of like kind of jelly. Hi guys!
Welcome to I Try TV! And now we're going to cook something special.
Squash cake!
Yes, squash cake. You heard it right. We're going to do it right now. So, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
So these are the ingredients for our yummy yummy squash cake.
Yeah, exactly. So, our main ingredients are squash, of course.
And also this ingredient.
So,
We have brown sugar and vanilla and egg and a lemonade.
of course, we also have flour. We also need something like this. Evaporated filled milk and also condensed milk and all-purpose cream. And that's it.
So we're gonna peel the squash. So adults first.
Yeah, you're right.
So this is for only adults. It's not for kids. And you can do it with your mommy or Lola or daddy. Any people that are adults, but not kids, okay? You might just chop your finger.
Exactly. So, like other things, you can mix it up later, but cutting the
Wait.
vegetables.
And
Not-
pagkatapos, we're cutting that we need to remove the seeds.
Exactly.
So we're gonna alis the squash from the balat. And we need to remove the seeds, all of the things in that bowl. And here's the final touch.
So here, and we need to need some
We need a little bit apoy,
here. Okay. So we're going to boil it until it's softened, maybe around 3 minutes, 5 minutes.
Or 6 minutes.
We're not sure until it's softened.
Okay. Woo! We're already cooking the
Squash.
egg.
Yeah, the squash. So until it's softened. While we're cooking the squash, we will prepare some of the ingredients like the eggs, cracking the eggs, and mixing all together. Right, Pen?
Yeah. Usually they separate the
White one and the egg yolk.
Yeah. So, but we're gonna salmon it, all of it, and
Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So let's crack it. Do it. More. Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
gonna put it.
Here.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh. Oh, what?
These are so hard. You just put the yolk on the table.
Oh, once more.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, last one. You had to crack it first.
Oh.
So what are we going to do now with the eggs?
We're gonna scramble the eggs.
All right, so let's scramble it.
Yeah.
Okay, done.
Yep.
So let's check if our squash is already cooked.
Yes. Let's.
So we're going to check if the squash are already cooked.
Yeah.
So I think it's ready. Yeah, so let's turn off the fire. Okay, and let's prepare it.
So we're gonna mix all the ingredients in the blender.
So this is how you do it. So put the squash,
Yep.
the cooked squash. So it's time to add the milk now.
No.
Okay.
Okay, done. I'm done. I'm done with this.
So I think it's so full.
It's already full. We're gonna mash it already.
Okay, let's try. Ready? See? This is the condensed milk.
That's kind of soft.
It's also sweet. Can you try to taste it?
Nope.
Try. This one.
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's sweet, right? Okay. And
Oh my gosh. This is not gonna go anywhere.
okay. Alright, done. Then we're going to pour it again here.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
This is not gonna end well.
It will end well. Trust.
That's so nice.
So we're going to mix
Oh, it's like
the egg now.
Shape of that.
Look.
Ooh.
The egg.
Oh my gosh. There's egg.
Yes. And also we will mix some vanilla.
Ooh, it's so satisfying. It's
Yeah.
like funny.
Let's mix it.
Go!
Yeah. Okay. That's it. And then also we're going to put some cornstarch here so that it will give us more texture.
Yeah.
So let's do it. Let's.
Yeah, we're done.
Oops. Oh shucks.
Oh, it's like football. They're putting it in football.
So we're done.
So we're done
Then-
with that part.
Going 1, 2, 3, go. And wait until it's all mixed. So, and let's pour it again here.
Yeah, let's pour it again. All of it, I guess.
Yes.
Oh no. No, we're gonna put the brown sugar. Oh my god.
Actually, we're not putting the brown sugar, we're going to cook it, to caramelize it. And then we're going to mix it again.
Ooh.
Ugh.
Ew. Why is it like that?
So to add some flavor,
The flavor of
lemon.
juice.
Okay. It smells so good, right?
Yeah. Pop it, pop it, pop it. I'm gonna pop it.
Or
So we're already gonna make the syrup.
okay, by just putting the brown sugar here,
Yep.
it's like 1/4 cup of sugar, or
Or
maybe a half cup. Then just mix it until it caramelizes.
So many bubbles. It's already boiling. You can see there's already some bubbles.
Then done.
Yeah, we're done. So we're gonna put the syrup in these things.
The final step of our squash cake. We're going to steam it for how many minutes?
I guess 35 minutes.
25 or for 30 minutes until it hardens. And that's it. And after that, it's time to taste it.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to cover it now and let's see what will happen in 35 minutes. Right?
Whoa, yeah! Kind of jelly.
Yeah, it's already done and it's tasting time.
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's done and we're going to taste it. So you first.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That is so good. Let me taste it. Oh, yeah. Wow. So firm and it tastes like a cheesecake, but there's no cheese at all. It's so good. I
Yeah.
really like it.
Yeah.
So guys, that's it. I hope you like this video.
Share this video to all of your friends or maybe your kapitbahay. I hope you like this video.
And always subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it to everyone.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so again, this is Suhito.
And this is Pam.
And this is I Try TV. Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.
Yeah.